It was December 27th. We were coming back across Stevens Pass to come back to Seattle. Some people got in a hurry, and one of them was in a real hurry, and he pulled out to pass everybody. Well, the center of the road's not plowed, so when he hit that slush, just hit us head on, totaled both vehicles. They determined that I had all the metatarsals of my left foot were broken, severed right at the joints, and had a severe fracture of my wrist. And I went through the surgery, and they did the foot and the wrist simultaneously. When I came out of that, it was time to find an attorney. It's like, I can't handle this on my own. And insurance companies were already contacting me and telling me on the phone that this is not an offer, but they started mentioning dollar amounts. And I'm like, I'm fresh out of surgery. So I didn't know any attorneys up here, and I went on the internet, and I found several bodily injury attorneys in the Seattle area. Chris Davis was the only lawyer that actually called me back and talked to me personally. And several hours later, one of the other ones kind of called me back and said, well, what is it you need? And I said, too late. Somebody else cares about me a little bit more. And I've agreed to let him handle everything. And Barbara Ullman was the paralegal working on the case. And anytime I needed anything, it was like, if I had a question about anything, contact Barbara. And she was great. I mean, any questions that I had and things that I knew that I could handle, I would call her, and she said, no, you don't worry about that. That's what I'm for. I said, really? She said, yes, I take care of that. You don't worry about that. And I said, wow, okay, I'll do that. I would highly recommend Chris to anybody. This has been a good experience.